What's up, beauties? So today my client Jay requested a bust down. Today we're going to be using Yummy Extensions 30-inch raw Cambodian hair, and as you can see, I'm on the sewing machine. I went ahead and doubled up the track since we're going to be using 5 bundles and added it to the wig cap. Once I had it added to the wig cap, I went ahead and started my install. As you can see, I am sewing around the perimeter of her braid down for extra security, and at the top I left out a good amount of hair so that way she could have some versatility. Once I had it secured, I went in with my 1.5 inch Kosa Flat Iron and pressed that hair all the way out. Again, we used 5 bundles of raw Cambodian 30-inch hair from Yummy Extensions, pressed it out with my Kosa Flat Iron. Now get into this finished look. It's giving what it needs to give, period.